You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, American basketball forward player. If you want to learn more names from the NBA, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you that you'll want to watch. Cameron Boozer, Duke Blue Devils of the Atlantic Coast Conference. Cameron Boozer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.